It's been a long, hard week, so it's time for a lazy Sunday brunch, and we're going to be making my strawberry stuffed French toast.
So, French toast, also in French, pain perdu. Pain perdu translates as lost bread, so it makes sense that the discarded or stale bread would be used for making this dish. So we're going to make our custard to begin with. So we've got eggs, milk, and some vanilla extract. We'll get our breads soaking, taking a nice little bath in our custard mix. Next, we're going to prepare our strawberry compote. So we've got a punnet of fresh strawberries, which we've got diced. We're going to add this straight into a smoking hot caramel to cook this out really quickly and to seal in the flavour into those strawberries. So just as they're starting to break down, we'll add a thickener, which will be arrowroot mixed with a little bit of water. We'll just cook this out for a second. We'll start to make that beautiful compote consistency. And take this straight off the heat. We're going to get this cooled down in a flat tray. So with our compote cooled, we'll take our toast, which has sucked up all that beautiful vanilla custard, and we'll prepare our pan. So we've got a generous knob of butter. Place your French toast straight into that butter, and we're going to get a beautiful golden crust onto one side. Flip and take out the pan. Going to do the same with this piece and start adding our filling. Place and sandwich two pieces of French toast together. Flip and start to encourage that crisp, golden, buttery French toast. So we're going to press and sandwich this down, right down. So here is our strawberry stuffed French toast. Done.